Hey guys, what's up? So today we are going to be using a new palette. I saw the packaging, I saw the color story, I just had to have it. It is the Desert Sage palette by Profusion Cosmetics. Let's jump into it. So this is a 25 shade palette with multi finishes. And you guys, can we talk about how beautiful this palette is, you guys? Oh my gosh. I'm wearing it on my eyes today. So if you want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned. All right, so this has been sitting on my vanity for literally like 4 days. Yeah, I'm so ready to dip into this. And I just want to show you guys my little coffee tumbler really quick. I thought it was fitting for today's video. It's got little plants all over it. And women who love plants, such as myself. If you guys didn't know, I absolutely am in love with plants, particularly succulents. So this palette is like made for me. All right, so the outside of the palette looks a little something like this. What is that, like an Echeveria maybe? I'm not sure, but let's open it up. And inside, we're keeping that same succulent type of shape. And there are all of your shades. The only thing that I don't like about the palette is that this is a plastic sheet with the shade names on it. I really wish the shade names were like underneath the colors, because I have kids and this will get lost. But yeah, let's dip into this. I'm so excited. I do want to apologize for my hairline right now, you guys. I colored my hair yesterday and yeah, it won't come off in some spots, so. Okay, so first I'm gonna take this shade right here called Mossy, and I am just going to apply that right above my crease area, and we're going to create kind of a crescent shape with this. This is a collection from Profusion Cosmetics. They also have a little blending sponge. It comes in this cute little cactus case. It's so adorable. Okay, so now I'm going in with Sage, which is right here, and we're just gonna blend this upwards. Then I'm gonna take this shade right up here called Joshua Tree, and we're just going to blend that green out even further. Okay, so now I'm taking the shade called Wild, which is this dark kind of navy blue, and I'm just gonna place that on the lid on the outer portion. I had to get myself some more coffee. That's literally the only thing that keeps me awake these days is coffee. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with this lighter blue shade called Serene, and I'm just gonna place that next to Wild on the lid. So a few weeks ago, it was my friend's birthday, and we went to a little plant shop here where I live called the Succulent Shop. And it's a really cool spot. I was like in total heaven when we walked inside because there's like plants everywhere. They're hanging. It's just really cute in there. But they have a full service bar in there. You can order whatever you want. And then you pick out a plant or plants and pick out a pot. And you take it upstairs and you get to create little succulent arrangements. So I thought it was a really cute place. And I want to show you guys mine. So I picked 2 Echeverias. And you can like choose from different color rocks and stuff to put in there. They pretty much supply everything you need. And it's just so cute. I love it. I don't want to like dump it out showing you guys, but this one has little pups, which are little baby succulents that I'm gonna let them get a little bit bigger and then I can like take them out and have all new succulents. Just makes me so happy looking at this. I could have very well easily spent a pretty penny in that place, but I held back and I was like, okay, hold back and only get 2. Now we are going to take the shade right here, which is called Succulent, and I'm just gonna apply that right here. Okay, so I did my full face, and now let's finish off these eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna take this shade right here in the middle, which is absolutely gorgeous. It is called Rare, and that's just gonna go right into our inner corner. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Okay, so I have this waterproof shadow stick by Profusion. This is in the shade Topaz, and I'm just gonna use this on my waterline. And then to kind of play off of those orangey shades that are in that inner corner glitter, I'm gonna go in with Disconnect first, which is right here, and butt that up against the outer portion of the lower lash line area. Then I'm gonna go in with Heat Wave, which is right here. And I'm just going to kind of blend that out. We're gonna go in with Hot Spring right here. And that's gonna go right in here. And then to blend that out a little bit, we're gonna take Free Spirit. And I wanna add a little bit of this gold right here, which is called Coast. Right up against that inner corner. Super pretty. Wow. So we could, of course, leave this look like this, add some lashes, but I'm gonna take it a step further, and I think I'm gonna do a little bit of graphic liner. Okay, so I'm applying some Beat Gang De Niro lashes. And that is the final eye look. Well, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.